Hi, I'm Jamal Khan, CEO of Elite Mindset and the creator of EliteHub. Today, I'm going to share a roadmap on how a rich mindset can help you make your first $1 million in just 6 months. This is not about luck or shortcuts. It's about thinking differently, acting strategically, and surrounding yourself with the right people. The first step is understanding what a rich mindset really means. A rich mindset is not just about wanting money. It's about thinking in opportunities rather than limits. People with a rich mindset see possibilities where others see obstacles. They are constantly looking for ways to create value, leverage resources, and turn challenges into advantages. When you adopt this mindset, every problem becomes an opportunity, every setback becomes a lesson, and every connection becomes a potential partnership. Without this mindset, it's almost impossible to achieve rapid financial growth because your thoughts determine your actions. Step 1, focus on opportunities, not obstacles. The rich mindset starts with seeing opportunities everywhere. Successful people don't focus on problems or reasons why something won't work. Instead, they focus on what can be done and how it can be done efficiently. This doesn't mean ignoring risks, it means thinking strategically and creatively. A rich mindset means focusing on activities that provide the highest returns. It means delegating and automating and prioritizing. When you start thinking in terms of leverage, your actions begin to multiply and results come faster than you expect. It means asking yourself, where can I add value? What are people ignoring? What trends can I leverage? Opportunities are everywhere, but you have to train your mind to recognize them. Step 2, value time over money. One of the biggest differences between average earners and millionaires is how they value time. Time is your most valuable resource. Every hour you spend on low leverage tasks is an hour you could have spent creating exponential value. Step 3, build strategic networks. Wealth is rarely created in isolation. One of the most important aspects of a rich mindset is understanding the value of your network. Who you associate with will often determine the scale and speed of your success. Seeking out people who are ambitious, resourceful, and forward-thinking is key. Collaborate with them, exchange ideas, work on projects together, and create mutually beneficial partnerships. The right network can open doors that no amount of effort alone can unlock. Step 4, take calculated risks. A rich mindset is not about being reckless, it's about taking calculated risks. Millionaires understand that to achieve extraordinary results, you often have to step outside your comfort zone and act decisively. This involves analyzing opportunities carefully, preparing thoroughly, and acting when the timing is right. Avoiding risks completely may feel safe, but it will limit your potential. To make $1 million in 6 months, you must be willing to move faster than most and take intelligent risks when the opportunity arises. Step 5, focus on value creation. Money follows value. If you want to earn $1 million quickly, you need to focus on creating real, tangible value for people. Think about problems you can solve, efficiency you can create, or services you can offer that will have a meaningful impact. When you focus on value, revenue comes naturally. The more scalable and impactful your solution, the faster the growth. This is one of the core principles of the rich mindset. Prioritizing value over short-term gains. Step 6, consistency and momentum. 6 months is a short time frame to generate $1 million, but it is possible with consistency. The key is daily action and maintaining momentum. Every small win compounds over time, and the cumulative effect can be extraordinary. A rich mindset means committing to the process, not just the outcome. It's about showing up, executing, and improving every day. Momentum builds confidence, attracts opportunities, and accelerates results. Step 7. Surround yourself with the right community. One of the most overlooked aspects of rich mindset is the importance of community. Your environment and the people you interact with daily will shape your thinking and your results. That is exactly why I created the EliteHub app. EliteHub is a platform for entrepreneurs, future millionaires, and people with elite mindsets to connect, collaborate, and grow together. It is a space where you can share ideas, find partners, close deals, and create mutual value with people who think like you. Being part of a community of ambitious, like-minded individuals accelerates your growth, gives you access to new opportunities, and keeps you accountable. No one achieves $1 million alone. Collaboration is the key. Your first million is not just a dream, it's a mindset, a plan, and a network away.